Hello dear students, a very warm welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. So we are pleased to inform you that we are arranging one more campus drive, and this time it is by software MNC Aorus Tech, and we are here to give you particulars about it. So these are the details about Aorus Tech. Aorus, it was established in year 2000 with the vision to provide cutting edge innovative technology solutions using economic development models. It is headquartered in Innovation Corridor of Boston Cambridge in USA and has its development center in Pune. You may find more information about them on their website, which is www.aurusinc.com. Yes, so as mentioned, Profound EduTech is arranging campus drive for their current fresher requirement, and this is the eligibility as far as the current requirement is concerned. So MCA, MCS, BSc Computer Science, BCS, BCA. These are the eligible qualifications, and the candidates are required to be pass outs from either 2020 or 19 or 18 batch. So this is the eligibility criteria. As far as skills are concerned, they are preferring to have a very good knowledge of Java and SQL, and along with this technical knowledge you are also expected to have excellent communication skills. So yes, as far as technical skills are concerned, Java and SQL are desired along with excellent communication skills. So in order to get more details about this requirement and also to apply for it, please visit this particular URL, which is bit.ly/profoundau. I repeat again, it's bit.ly/profoundau. So do visit this site in order to get more details and to apply for it. So we hope guys that you are finding all our videos very helpful and useful for you. Profound EduTech, we are basically leading IT training company, and we are well known for popular courses of full stack developer in Java, .NET, testing, etc. If you are willing to get upgraded in your technical skills, do join our courses of various diploma courses of Java, .NET, testing, which cover multiple technologies. And along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support as well. And you will be able to explore a lot of opportunities of getting placed once you are trained by Profound EduTech. So these are the snapshots of our full stack Java developer course on the left side, and the software development engineering test, the advanced diploma in software testing course on the right side. Do visit our website www.profoundedutech.com in order to get the details and contents of all our courses. These are the highlights of our courses. Yes, all our trainings are live trainings which are led by the experts. We do not compromise quality anywhere, and all the trainings that we provide are quality trainings, and they are delivered by experienced and qualified trainers. Hands-on approach, yes, we follow hands-on approach because ultimately your practical knowledge matters the most in the IT company industry. And real world projects, once you whatever you learn, you will be implementing everything on real world projects. Yes, daily exclusive campus drives, all our students, they get mini campus drives. Every week we arrange around 7-8 campus drives. Every month we arrange around 30-35 campus drives for various technologies like Java, testing, .NET, Python, etc. Yes, so in order to get all our details about various campus drives, trainings, workshops, please remain in touch with us. We are available on Facebook. We have 51,000 plus likes to our Facebook page. Do like our Facebook page in order to get all our updates regularly. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are also available on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it is www.profoundedutech.com. profoundedutech.com. So thank you dear students for viewing this video and hope to see you soon once again. Thank you.